Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to voice typing in any website using Google Chrome browser. So if you want to do that, first of all, open any browser and then search for voice in speech to text extension. Then you will see this website and go to this website or store, and here you can see voice in speech to text dictation. Just add to Chrome and then again add extension. Now it's time to set up. Continue with Google, and you can also continue with Facebook and also with a mail. I want to do using Google account. And then next you can select any language from here, like English, Bengali, and as your wish. I want to set Bengali as my native language, Bengali Bangladesh. Okay, and then click to next. Again allow microphone. Again allow while visit the website, and then click again next. Next, you can pin this extension, like click here and then click to pin icon. And that's it. You can type anything in any website using your voice, like I want to comment in this video. Click here and click to this option to make a voice typing, like hello everyone, what's up. That's it. It's a very simple tricks and very useful tricks, I think. So if you think this is helpful, consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.